Let me show you how you can set up your password rules on DocuSign. Click admin at the top, and once you're under the admin section, just simple click on security settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on show password rules. Here you can easily set the password strength. That could be very strong, and you will see once you set that, you will see the rules that is going to set. It must be at least 9 characters, must contain at least one uppercase, and so forth and so forth and so forth. If you set it to custom, you can choose to enable the expiration, so the password will be expired, so you can set that to about 90 days. You can change the minimum character. Let's say I want this to be about 8, and you can choose now if you want that to be minimum password age. That could be, you can leave it to 0 days, for example, as is. Now you can choose if you want to have at least one uppercase, if you want to have at least one digit, if you want at least one special character. You can choose all of these just to make it the way you want, right? And so once you do that, click and save. You also saw the option there that if you want to make it like strong, there's going to be something like that. If you want to make it basic, it's just going to be at least 6 character. If you want to make it minimum, then it's going to have a few more options. Or if you just want to make it extremely strong, then it's going to contain all of these. But if you want to also make it that the password will expire on top of being strong, you can enable that as well and set the days for how much you want. Then click and save. But that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.